Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video, December 17th, 2024. The divergences continue, but nobody seems to care at the moment. So let me show you the divergences. Keep in mind the FOMC meeting is tomorrow. So tomorrow at 2 is the results. So that's what we're going to be watching tomorrow. But just keep in mind that the bond market's a big deal. The bond market's gone straight down. If they say they're going to cut more than you expect, you're probably going to see the bonds undercut this low because it's inflationary. That doesn't mean it is. I just want to make that clear of the kind of things we're looking at. Now, when it comes to everything else, I still think that you have to respect the divergence between a number of indexes. So let's go over them so you know what I'm talking about. So number one, you have the bond market under the 50 moving average and under the 20. So on the right, we'll put the NASDAQ. NASDAQ way above it, way above everything. Just keep that in mind, way above everything, way above. So on the left, you have the transports. They're even under the 50 moving average. In fact, they've made back the election gap under the 50. How about the Russell? The Russell is at the 50. In fact, I think the Russell is going to bounce from here. It needs to. But you have a number of indexes that are at the 50 and decisively under the 20, while you have the NASDAQ and the S&P comfortably over the 50 and the 20. Big divergence. So you got to have the Russell rally and the other indexes rally, or I think these at the minimum go to right here. So that's what we're going to be watching the next couple of days. And I'll tell you though, if the Russell can start to manage a rally, I'm going to look for the stocks that are retaining their bullish structure, like SMMT. We actually did a spread in there today, right here. So it still has a bullish structure. So we're trying to do some January spreads in these. So that's how we're trying to play the markets. We're going to continue looking for good and bad patterns and playing it accordingly. Take care. Have a great day. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.